And we are live. Meaning Jo Acholi. Welcome back to Chaka Chuli. Man segment me Kwan Chuli. This is session 61, reading on Panyikwara clan of the Acholi tribe of present-day South Sudan. Okay. Today we will be reading about the very first subclan in Paniquara, which is Bura. And a poem attack. Please make sure to join the live if you're interested. Please engage with the platform, like, comment, share. Um, Send us a DM if you would like to be a guest, if you're from Panyikwara or Bura. Please let me know if everything that I'm reading today about Bura is correct. If you have anything you would like to add, please also send us a DM or comment under this video. Okay. Jackline Ikang. I would like to go right into reading so we don't waste too much time. Please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube page, which is Leb Acholi, so you can stay up to date with the content and you can watch full videos there. You can also watch on Chaka Leb Acholi on Facebook. I also post on my personal Facebook platform, which is Chaka Ikang South Sudan. Okay, on a poem attack. If you want to hear more about Paniquara or the introduction about Paniquara and how they settled in present-day South Sudan, please watch the previous video. Okay. Again, I will be reading about the Paniquara clan all this week, starting with Bura. There's 9 subclans in Paniquara. Okay, yesterday we found that most of them came from Anyuak, led by Nyikwaro or Nyikwaro, and they later found the Madi people. They fought the Madi people, defeated the Madi people, and they entered into Acholi lands that was previously occupied by some Madi people. Now they do speak Acholi and Madi. There's a lot of intermarriages between the Madi and the Panyikwara Acholi people. And then their chief is the Chuli. At some point, their chief was Chief Modi. And then the son of Chief Modi took over and led them into their present location in Got Iwire. Well, at that time, it was Got Iwire, and then they moved into other territories. Okay, so I'm going to start reading about Bura. Bura was the first clan of the Paniquara people, subclan of the Paniquara people to enter into their present land. Okay, so they're considered the forefathers or founding fathers of Paniquara. Some people like to dispute that, but based on research and findings in this text, we will accept that Bura is the Wikingom Paniquara. If you're from Paniquara or Bura or any of the subclans, if you'd like to dispute or even comment on what I'm reading today, please also leave your comments under this video or send me a DM. Apo Amatek. Okay, so I would like to go right into reading now. The reading is about a page, maybe 2 pages. Okay. I'm going to read as fast as I can, leave some commentary in English, and then I will read on the next subclan tomorrow. The next subclan after Bura will be Goloba or Goloba. Okay, let me know if I'm pronouncing that correctly. So Bura, okay, like you're joining on regarding Jo mi Bura mi Paniquara. Te kwaro pa Chuli wajone Jo Bura obino gi ijilo nyo Anyuak. Okay. Gino chiro ogero ite Got Iwire ikin moha apar bichel gi pier bor wi achiel. Lotino Bura mokene wajone gin oweka loba Anyuak gi moha mia apar bichel wi mia apara bichel, yeah, that's correct, we mi apar bichel ki wi are. Okay. Pilok mi da mau bero ikin Gipir Ki Labongo. Okay, we all know the story. Look me laro tira gitong Bura Awehaloba Anyuak Pilok kom da mau bero ikin Gipir Ki Labongo. Magino bero kwere kalar lok kom tira gitong. Okay? Kadong ningo kit mawa bero kanera ne malo kan jobura obino ogon e Bilinyang pimwaka Piera Beach mi mo chahe mia apara bichel gi a dek we gi apara bichel gi Piera Beach we a dek. Okay. Kala chien gino mere gi wood gino bino yaru matie lobo Lolubo. Okay. Te kwara papa Nyikwara wajoni ruot Nyikwara well Nyikwara oto I Bilinyang. Okay, munu present day kama bari ti wal joba. Okay. Ka ingeto pa ruot Nyikwara well Nyikwara wode modi o mahoke la chien ruot modi o neno ni Bilinyang pe kabir mabe bol luak mere piman imwa apar bicholi Piera bichu adek eno kwanyo luak gi Bilinyang gino bedo ka wod makun gin dok kwere yot yung nyango nyo east. Okay, ka gin obino yaru matie ilobo Lolubo. Okay, yala ningo road modi obedo yaru pimwaka Piera dek Chaka gingo apar bichel gi Piera bichu ya dek we apar bichel gi Piera boro we adek. Okay, giku marach tuo mako road modi gi aru ma mero gi nere. Okay, ingeta pa road modi wore magilungo Gitala o mako ke ikin moha apar bichel gi Piera boro we achel. Road Gitala mod onongone ngom Lolubo bene pe cheko chum mapar magin miro. Imoka par bichel gi Piera boro we ngwen. Road Gitala o kwanya luak mi bura gi aru. Okay, gino bedo ka wod makun gin dok kwere yo tung ping yo south. Okay, ka inge due achel nyo ario luak pa Road Gitala o ok e kom Got Iwire imwaha apar bichel gi Piera boro we beach. Okay, luak pa gana Road Gitala o nongo jo Madi nyo jo moli tokoro mi Madi tie itiman. Okay, pien jo Madi o bino chon gi rijaf ene babene kagin o gonyi timan. Duan wajene jo Madi pe o neno luak pa Gitala gi wang maleng pi man gino royal loin I kombura. Okay, ento will dano ma Road Gitala woro kwere duong loyal will pa jo Madi ada bura o luanye kom Madi ka o buagin bene waha Madi mapol ma dongi e laktong pa bura oringo adok tung poro ching o west. Okay, te kwara pa Panyikwara wajuni Road Madi pe otoi luany man kala chien Road Madi gidano mere maudong gino donyo ite loch pa Road Gitala jo Madi pe uri ite loch pa Road Gitala inge mo hachel gino lobo ko omero megi tung poro ching. Okay, kadong ningoni te kwara pa Panyikwara wajuni mapuri pe ite otero moha mapol ruot Talopu mi pajul wala mi pajule mi Uganda obino giluak mere ikin moha apar bichel gi piera bongoan. Okay, gin dong okero komgi ikom luak pa ruot Gitala o jolo ruot Talopu mabe omia bodgi ngom mi gero gi mi pu la dit gira limo mamur o delfere o waje borane ruot Talopu o bino gi jami ke wa gi bul kal magi luongo akenda who ngeo drop your comments akenda ne ngone nyo bul akenda ruot Gitala wood pamodi pien eno bedo dano mi Anyuak eno nongo pe ngeo Nyikwaro paluo but Anyuak been again luo. So what do you mean? Anyways, we had a look at Ponged Kwaro again a chicken, money Nyikwaro paluo. Pilok man Ekare Magino o Imere, that's the name of the place, Mede, Mede. Okay, so Pilok man Ekare Magino o Imere, Gino Bedo Kalubu Nyikwaro, mi Anyuak. Okay, so when Jo mi Gino Bino, Jo Patalupu, Munu Jongoni, Lolubo mi Uganda, Jo Pajul mi Uganda. Gibino Gichara Kinadom. They had to follow Chikmi Anyuak, or the culture of Anyuak and their tradition and their rule basically, because they were from two different not different ethnic groups, but different tribes, I would say. Ento inge muaha manok malobo bino paruot Talopu gi pajul wala pajule ruot Talopu chako kelo Nyikwaro paluo ikin jo Paniquara. Okay, so Talopu mi Uganda, President Uganda mi chako kelo chik mi luo bojo Paniquara. Ono gin jo Anyuak. What Anyuak is luo? Am I confused? Drop your comments. Okay. Ruot Talopu peo bino gi twin maraj milar, okay? Mana ye gin ma weho ruot Talopu o waje kwede ni jo bura kal uno mero mera u maki ke meu gi molo u chwe bene kot wek dano o cheki chiom od luak an japa jul wala japa jule aweho ruot mera dong bojo pa Nyikwara wala jo pa Nyikwaro. Okay, ruot Gitala o kwanya kiri kot pa ruot Talopu o meriko mere dana mi bura tiegi dok od martino abichel kitman. Okay, bura kot bura worge. Drop your comments. What is this? Bura worge. Bura pagena. Bura ong koloba. Bura pajul wala bura pajule. Gi bura panyamo. Drop your comments. Kungyo Nyikang abichel enemy bura. Dogola neti abichel di bura. Emi Paniquara. Are you from there? Drop your comments. Mapua. Yellow la chojo wajaningo. Dogod mi bura ong golobo. Gi bura pajule. Wala paju. Obedo dano mi achiel modonyo. Kin jo bura kot. Okay. Now, the Burakot people are the original people of Nyikwara, Mogi Rubeki Jopa Julmi Achel. Okay, so Jopa Nyikwaro, Nyikwara, mi Anyuak, or Rubeki Madi, Kadoko Jopa Julubino Medikumgi. So, Gin Burakot. Burakot. Dogal Mona Bina after, I believe. Ole, Jopa Nyikwaro Gimadi, Burakot. Ka Jopa Julubino Medikumgi. Kadong Ningoni. So jo mi bura pa jule munu jo Nyikwara magi rube gi pa jule. Gi danya kum jo bura kat the original people mi kene bura mati ku jano. Kada hongo bura on golobo well on goloba. Ukanya drop your comments. Utamaning on. Okay? Yala kada ningo. Kadok on mi bura pagena obedo dana mi ario. Mi danya ikin jo bura kot. Jo pagena obino ki imundari. Okay, that's interesting. Drop your comments. What do you think? Kain mi jo pagena. What do you think? Ubino ki imundari. Do you know that? Drop your comments. You know woro gi dilngi maduong. Okay? So jo of course jo mundari o diang nini. So gibino gi dilngi maduong e Paniquara. Okay? Ikare magino okay mede. Gino nongo mun bura ka tie ka tuamo pi gi wang 8. Okay? Mano kan lotina wobe mi pagena. Lotina wobe mi pagena o chaka konya mon mi bura ka gi tuamo pi. Mon ma oneno team mon ma oneno team mabe gi wara malotino man onyuro bodgi. Gino cholo look man bor road kitala. Ma la kwena pa mun obedo ka wache bor road ni. Ti dana ma oworo gi diangi ma pol. Gin bene obedo ka konyo wan gi tuango pi gi wangit. Dana man peo kelo ayela ikomwa. Man bene chwinywa obedo yom ikomgi. Yala gi kanyingo road gitala mo winyo duan man. Okay? O chwalo lo kwena mere wek o chit ka rware gi jo pagena. Okay? Road bene omio abino kongo kwere gi lokuru I don't know what that is. Lokuru wek o te mi kwe chwiny road mi pagena. Lo kwena pa road kitala o te rabino kongo kwere abino kongo kwere board road mi pagena mape wangeo nyinge. Kilo ngeo nyinge lo kwena neko jo mo chwalo gini gite kongo board kinane jo pagena mi mundari magibino ne. Okay, yala ningo te kwara mi Panyikwara wacho ni road pagena o gamo abino kongo gi lokoro gi yom chwiny madira tika. Nge gamo jami megi road mi pagena bene o kwanyo tuon diang achiel royo diang achiel roya diang achiel gi chak por lo kwena paru gitala wegino te le man bore. Okay? Kadang gikinyo ningo lo kwena dong otero tuon diang gi roya diang omia bod road kitala. Okay? Road kitala la cheno mia bod jo pagen ngomi pur gimi gero matie chok ikom bura kot. Man bene gin ma o weko jo pagena o doko kwere bura kala chen gino chaho lungo kumgini jo bura pagena. If you know this information, drop your comments, like, share. Apoa. Ningo, ka miel tie idibo mi Paniquara, jo bura pagena yema maha bere, padano mi dok od mi bura. Okay? Wow, that's major. Okay? Chik bene, okwer ni lotina wobegi lotina nyira mi bura kal, bura pajul, wala bura pajule, gi bura ongoloba, gin pe nyome. Ento, gin tuero nyomo lotina wobe nyo lotina nyira gi, idok od mi bura woroge, nyo bura panyamo. Mi ario chik bene okwero ni lotina wobe gi lotina nyira mi dok od mi bura panyamo gi bura ongoloba bene penyome. Gi dok od mi bura duchu wanongo ni jo bura pagena keken matuero nyomo latina nyaka nyo latina wobi mi dok od mi mo keken gi bura. So the Mundari people bura pagena gituero nyomo ngamo ken gi bura. Okay? What do you think? Drop your comments cool near this information. If you're from Bura, if you're from Paniquara, if you want to clarify anything, we'll drop comments too, kind of boy. Yella regarding team gi god mi bura. La chojo choni ngani. Bura tigi team achel magilungo or will kado. Interesting. Or will kado. So the direct English translation of that is ngani. Buy salt. Buy to purchase salt. Or will kado. Okay, so that's the land belonging to Bura in Panyikwara. Okay. Man bene tima jo Bura team ogero team o will kado dano pe dwaro pien dano ogero ma pol. Ento yara chama chalo oduya matie timan luak yero tero bodroad. Pepi man ke ken dana bene joko cham magino chao itiman gin tero bodroad. Kala chen Paniquara mo onongo le okong itiman en bene miro te bodroad. Luak mi bura mau geri team o will kado pe nyuru woro megi bodroad. Gi mio a jo keken gin bene puru poro bodroad. Okay? Te kwar mi Paniquara wajadi jo bura tigi got ario mana ye got iba gi got pa wume got pa wume wala wume. Te kwar pa bura wajani jo goloba aye o chulo got iba bod bura pilok mi nego latin anyaka mi bura magino nego dua. Okay, jo bura bene tiegi jok achiel magilungo jok iba matie kom god iba wala god iba kai miro nyang matut look mi dok ikom jok iba wala jok iba kwandu mi pierario wiangwen dini achonya pa Chuli mati pot wargango mia aboro Gipir aboro we had dig. Okay, so that's all about Bura. Okay, machojo nongoni jo Bura biro ngom gidonyo kenyu kong gisalo Got Iwire gibino gi Anyuak gisalo Bilinyang kagi bino kire we te Got Iwire. Ka jumo cha joining in kingi bero ringom. Okay. Gina Modi Kong Nyikwaro munu descendant ba Jilo Jo Shilluk jani mayangi luanya about tikone. Nyikwaro gingo mina Dimo Dumo Nyikwaro Jilo. Okay. Kala chin magi cher kenyon gi wor gi nyual bi nyual Nyikwaro ok yo pin iroi Paniquara. Ka Nyikwara kono nyual Modi bibero ndoko chief. Ka Modi nyual Gitala bero chief. Jomogo bino sero kere dog oti abichiel nyo dog gang ti abichiel ibura. Okay. Gitie gi gitie gi God. Okay. Gitie gi team or will kado. Okay. So that's it. We'll drop your comments. What do you think about Bura? Tomorrow, I will read about the subclan Goloba. Well, Goloba. Okay, that's the next subclan. Okay. Please stay tuned. If you'd like to be a guest, send us a message. Drop a comment under this video. Please share. Please follow us on Facebook, Leb Acholi. You can also follow me on my Facebook page, Jackline Ikang, South Sudan. And follow us and subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is Leb Acholi as well. This reading segment is called Kwan Leb Acholi. It's within the same platform, which is Leb Acholi. My name is Jackline Ikang of Got, and I will read again tomorrow. Please stay tuned. Bye-bye.